Namaskaram. Today we are going to learn Yogic Surya Namaskar. Begin in Samasthiti, equal standing. Inhale, lift the arms, bend knees, palms together over the head, gaze at thumbs. Exhale, straighten legs to a forward bend, Uttanasana, gaze at nose. Inhale, head up, lengthen spine, gaze at the third eye. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, lift chest, head back to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog, gaze at sky. Exhale, lift hips to downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana, gaze towards navel. Inhale, right foot forward, left heel turned inward and bend your right knee and left leg straight with the back foot pressed into floor. And lift your arms, palms together, gaze at the thumbs, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, back to downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, left foot forward, right foot turned in at the angle, left knee bent, Virabhadrasana, lift the arms above the head, gaze to the thumbs. Exhale, back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hold for 5 breaths, gaze towards navel. Jump feet up between hands. Inhale, head up, gaze between eyebrows. Exhale, bend forward to Uttanasana. Inhale, knees bend as you come up to Utkatasana. Exhale, straighten legs, arms to the side, Samasthiti.